Hello, my dear people. I'm in Guatemala right now, and it's Christmas time. I wish you and your families to feel free and to do more of what you like. Merry Christmas and Happy Holidays. I know it's different for different countries, so which holidays do you celebrate this winter? Is it Christmas? Is it New Year? Or both? I wish you all the best. And yes, so this thing, this blur thing that you see, I hit the GoPro lens with a stone again, and I guess I have to replace it. It would be my fourth lens in 2 months. I don't know how other people deal with that. But yeah, happy holidays to y'all. And thank you so much for following me on my journey